Hi, my name is Tom Esposito from VRF Solutions. We are a design-build mechanical contractor that specializes in heat pump technology for heating, cooling, and domestic hot water projects. So this project was brought to us in about 2021 by First Service Residential's construction management team and Stephen Winter Associates. They were looking for a complete electrification project for this particular building. That included heat pumps for each individual apartment tied to each person's electric meter. So they'd be paying for their own heating and cooling, which is very unique here in New York City. So as we were developing the plan and knowing that all of our units were going to go on the roof, we needed something durable that could protect our line sets and our piping from not only the environment, but also people walking on the roof, potentially stepping on these sensitive pipes. So we found Inaba Denko's RD product, which is just fantastic. It's a metal product that protects the line sets, which are extremely expensive, protects from the degrading of the insulation, which is very important for performance, as well as protecting the control wiring that comes up from each one of these units to the compressors. The purchase process was just great. We used Jerry from Market Air. He came out to the site multiple times and worked with our team to design a cost-effective solution for our line set hiding needs here. Jerry worked tirelessly. The pricing was right on that we needed. He worked with us during installation as well, trained all the guys on how to install it. Now we have 7 new people that know how to install Inaba Denko, and we've got multiple projects ahead of us that we're using this product on. The process was very intuitive after we were trained. My guys picked it up very quickly. Jerry was a great teacher, and the videos from Inaba Denko also helped. It was a great process all the way around. Very, very easy to install once you get used to the product. In the future, we have a lot of new projects that are on the drawing board right now that have Inaba Denko's RD line hide as well as their PD line hide included. We've used the condensate line hide on multiple jobs, running condensate inside the apartments or inside a dormitory room. But all of the projects going forward are going to be scoped with this material because it's important to protect these line sets from the environment. If you don't keep that insulation around the refrigerant piping for the life of it, you're losing the life expectancy of the product.